In this video we're gonna replace front and rear differential fluid. I got the vehicle up on ramp system just so that I can inspect the vehicle underneath and it'll be easier to shoot video. I'll be using the synthetic gear oil. Gonna put container at the bottom and gonna try to remove fuel plug first. It's a hex 10. Now I'm gonna work on drain plug. It's probably gonna be very tight too. Gonna wait a minute or two for it all to drain. Gonna wipe the drain plug. No metal particles, so everything looks good. Looks like mine was missing a washer, so I'll add washer. I'm gonna secure drain one. Torque specs are 37 foot per pound approximately, or 50 newton meters. I'm using this manual pump to fill differential fluid. Gonna add washer to fill plug and secure it too. Torque specs about same, 37 foot per pound or about 50 newton meters. Rear differential's done. Just gonna clean this area with brake parts cleaner. Front one gonna be a little bit tougher just because it's tougher to reach for the fuel plug. I think you see it. Fuel plug is right above the axle and it's 8mm hex. Make sure you do it on passenger side because driver's side is a CVT. Okay, it's out. Now I'm gonna remove this overflow plug. That's also hex 8. Okay. That one's super dirty. Now I'm gonna work on this one. Okay, I got the T70 socket off Amazon, ordered yesterday, got it today. And I'm gonna use breaker bar because I'm pretty sure it's pretty tight there. I don't see any metal particles, so I think we're doing good. Gonna remove this washer here. So that's a drain plug, overfill, overfull plug, and fill plug. For some reason the dirtiest one to me was this overfill plug. But let's clean the drain one, remove the old gasket. I'm gonna install new washer, part number. Gonna use this semi-digital torque wrench for the drain plug, and it's 51.6 foot per pound. Good. So now I'm gonna put differential fluid into a fill hole until fluid gonna come out of this hole. I think that's the best angle. You should be able to see everything. Okay, you can see it. Very steady stream. I'm gonna tighten it with the overflow plug. I'm gonna also hand tight the fill plug. Now I'm gonna tighten the fill plug to about 37 foot per pound. I think it's 15 millimeters. Same thing for this one. Finally gonna spray everything with brake parts cleaner. And I'll do same thing in the fill plug area. Now I can take the vehicle for a test drive, see if there's any difference. Differential fluid, gear oil was definitely dirty and it was time for replacement. Most of parts I bought from Amazon, so I'll leave Amazon affiliate links to all the products I used. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to respond as soon as I can. Pretty soon I'll make a video how to replace CVT fluid. It's also time to do it, but it'll be sometime in the near future. Thanks for watching. See you next time.